Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today let's quickly edit this gemstone right here, and let's jump into Photoshop, create a new file, and we'll select this size 1080 by 1080, click create, let's drag our pictures over there. So just like resize this picture, and we're going to take our tool here, object selection tool, click on the object. So we are going to pat these windows, and this logo right here, we're going to press Alt on our keyboard, click, and then set it to 1, hit OK. You see how ugly it is. So we're going to take our curvature pen tool, so control, select all those points that we don't need, and hit delete. And to make it a straight line, we hit Alt and click, Alt click. Alright guys, so now we have create a vector mask, and then we are going to hit Control and click on work path, then hit Control J on your keyboard to make a selection. So first of all, let's clean up a little bit those dust on our gemstones with our healing tool. Roughly clean up those obvious dust on the gemstones, and then we are going to apply a filter with our plugin Perfectum 2. Alright guys, so once we have finished clean up, so we're going to make a copy first. Ctrl J on your keyboard, go to filter, red field, Perfectum 2, and mess up a little bit with the setting right here, and that look perfect for me. Then we're going to hit apply. So now we have smoothed our surface, and then let's clean up those metals right here. So we're going to take our pen tool, normal pen tool, so and then select our the area that we wanna edit, and simply edit and try to follow the those lines, or maybe make it more like that. Control, select this section right here, take our mixer brush tool, just paint. guys, so we have successfully removed those unwanted, you know, metals. Then now what we are going to do first is come here, make a copy again, Control J, apply the filter, go to Topaz Photo AI to sharpen this layer. So adjust it into the preferred effect that you want and hit export. So first going to hit Ctrl T and readjust. Ctrl T on your keyboard, readjust it. Rulers, take the ruler like that, and then you don't want to make it align with your rulers. Let's make a solid background color like that first, and think what we are going to do. And now guys, let's make a this stone reflection. So I have here another gems shot from the side, and we are going to use this to make our background, our reflection. So hit quickly, like make a selection, and then we are going to the same thing, red field, perfectum 2, make it 100 for that thing, and we are going to take our mixer brush tool again, clean up those areas. I don't want to spend too much time on that, but usually how I make my my gemstone pictures for my listing. If you guys are interested in drop shipping my stuff, like, feel free guys. I'll share with you a Google Drive, a document, and with all the pictures, and you guys all will be available to drop ship my stuff. So first of all, let's adjust this thing right here. See how it is not so aligned on the bottom, like that. Yeah, just like that. Like here, drag this thing right here, Control T, and same thing here. We're going to like align it. And I'm gonna drag down a little bit. Just like that. I'm going to follow these lines here to make it match it. So now guys, like, you see like those white lines here, we're going to remove that nicely first with our pen tool again, just like that. Create a selection. Create a new layer. Then take your brush, hit I, and just paint. I right here, paint, select, and then Control Z. Mix brush tool. Control E. Alright guys. Alright. Looks okay to me. Maybe let's resize this stone first. Align it with our gemstone. Control T. Wrap this thing a little bit. Yep, just like that. Then we're going to change the color of this stone on the reflection, and just make it match right. Reds, like that. The green, let's change the green. The blues. Cyan. Like that. Magenta, maybe a little bit more. Just like that. Yellow. Let's make it orange like that. Master, decider, lighter, I guess. Alright guys, so for me it looks fine, I guess. And next thing we're going to do is probably try to make a gradient try that gradient right here. Black. Okay. Alright, so then we are going to create a shadow. Take our shape, fill to black, and then make a small circle shape. Maybe bigger, make it bigger. Like that. And then once you have made it, go to filter and apply some Gaussian blur on it. To a smart object. And yep. So here we have our gemstone, guys. So so we can create a nice background if you want, instead of a white background. So maybe let's try it like a gradient background with let's see what we have here. Like something fancy, I guess. Like that, you know. However, we're going to change the color to gray, like a light gray. And then change back that color, like white, get white. Same here. Get white. And just like that, guys, now we have our nice stone. Of course, we can go into detail, such as editing the top part. However, this is just a quick tutorial on how to edit your gemstones. Thank you guys for watching.